In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Swagbucks to your bank account. Let's start by opening the Swagbucks website and click on the login at the top right. Log into your account. After that, enter your email and password to log in. Now, after entering your Swagbucks credentials, click on the More button at the top, then choose the Redeem Rewards option from this menu in this section. So you will find multiple ways to receive your money from the site. You can get your money by exchanging points for gift cards from Amazon, or you can receive money through a Payoneer or PayPal account. If you want to receive money in a bank account from Swagbucks, we will use, for example, PayPal. Here in this video, click on the PayPal option. After that, choose the available balance to withdraw to PayPal. You will need 1,000 points to redeem them in order to get $10. After that, click on the redeem, then enter your PayPal email and complete the confirmation. The money will be sent within approximately 3 days to your PayPal account. And finally, go to your PayPal account, then link your account to a bank card to your country and click on the add card or bank option. After that, click on a link a card or credit card in order to complete the process of linking the bank card to PayPal. After that, you can withdraw the money from PayPal to your bank card easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.